27 hearts beat. Evans. 27 hearts beat. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Carisha, and in today's video I am going to show you my new car. It's kind of like a little car tour, and yes, today is May 2nd and this is the second day of my baby, and I want you guys to meet my Miss Slate. Why Slate? Because the color is slate gray, that's why. I am currently now inside my car, and as you guys can see, the interior color of my car, oh my god, it's really hot. So let me just turn on the air condition first. Yeah, let me just cool down a little bit because it's really hot in Miami. That's why it's called Miami Heat. Wow, that's a big word. Shout out to Starbucks for this water bottle. And yes, so without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So yeah, starting off with my left side mirror, let me just close the door. Yep, okay. So it has a button for the side mirror, and this is my steering wheel with the Toyota icon, and on this side, as you guys can see, have different buttons with their different functions as well. And if you're not comfortable with your steering wheel, it has an adjustment too. Oops, got it. Just pull it off, and then if you're comfortable with this, you can just put it up or down, and yeah, I'm good to go. And let me just put it back on its normal. Oops, what am I doing? Oops, what am I doing? Yes. And yeah, on this side, I am going to show you the air condition different options. This is the gear. This is so flawless right now, and you have the park, reverse, neutral, and the drive. This is the automatic one. So this is like a little tablet. It has different functions as well, and this is touchscreen, and you can just use your finger to click any other options on this side. This is like a little passenger compartment, and I have those stuff right there. And yes, I still have that paper right there just to keep it clean. And this is my passenger side, and it also has a different feature like this that you can use if you're too tired or too lazy to touch the screen of the tablet. You can just turn on the right or on the left, whatever you want to do. This is my back seat back seat, yeah. And it has a gray interior color, and I also have a cup holder right here. Yes, we should always have water. And I also have this emergency brake, just in case. And this one is for adjustment. It's like a booster for the baby. Like if you're too small, if you think that you're too small, you can just adjust it. And yeah, basically this is just the brake and gas pedal. And this is my back compartment. I have my gym bag right there. It's just perfect for me. It's not too big, it's not too small. And if you open up, so there's my extra wheel just in case of emergency. So yeah, that is it guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
27 hearts beat.
Welcome